Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. Hi, my name is Maddie and I am so excited that you stumbled upon this video. I make a ton of college content, college vlogs, productive vlogs, and all of that good stuff. So if you guys enjoy those types of videos, make sure you go subscribe to my channel down below. So you guys saw the title, you guys already know what's happening today. I am cleaning out my closet, and I know I just did this like in January, so like a month ago, but that was my closet at home, and today we're gonna be cleaning out my closet at my apartment. So clearly I'm at my apartment and my closet is kind of a mess here. I have a bunch of clothes that I just don't really wear anymore, and I am so excited to clean my closet out and just start fresh. And I'm also super excited because today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. Poshmark is an app where you can buy, sell, or discover fashion items, home decor items, beauty items, and so much more. So I'm actually going to be posting the items I'm getting rid of today on my Poshmark account. Right there is my Poshmark account and my username. So if you're in the US or Canada, go download the Poshmark app using the link in my description box, and you can shop my closet or your favorite brands using the app. So definitely go check out the description box. I will have all of Poshmark's information and links and everything down there for you guys, so you can go check out the app. It's so cool, and you guys already know I'm obsessed with shopping, and Poshmark is the absolute best app to do that. So huge shout out and thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. Like I said, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you go subscribe down below and follow me on all my social media. The links are going to be in the down bar below as well. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the status of my closet and how incredibly messy it is, and then we're going to start organizing, and it's going to be a whole process, but I am so excited to finally be doing this. It's been on my to-do list for forever. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right in. Okay, it's really nice and sunny right now. Also, hi guys. Okay, here we go. Here's what my closet looks like. I just don't wear like a majority of these clothes anymore. This is kind of all messy down here. So of course we need to go through all of the clothes, but I kind of just want to reorganize all of this. I hate having my hamper up here. It just feels so like in the way all the time. And I have this huge cart that has all my Cricut stuff in it, and it's really hard to pull it out from back there. So I kind of want to move it over here so I can just like pull it out of my closet when I want to use it. As for the clothes, I kind of want to take all of the clothes that are here and put them here instead, if that makes sense, just so my closet can look a little bit bigger. And I also have this hook, and it just holds my coat and my purse, so that's pretty much all good right there. I also have these drawers under my bed. These are honestly not that bad. I do want to go through the clothes under here though, because there is some stuff that I don't really wear anymore. But as for being organized, it is pretty much organized. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of my closet, and I am just excited to get to work and start organizing everything. Okay, I don't know where to start. I don't know if I should take all of my clothes out of my closet or just like sort through them one by one. I feel like I should probably just sort through them one by one and not make a giant mess all over my room. So we'll just start with going through my clothes, and I'm gonna decide what to keep and what to post on my Poshmark. Shirt. Okay, should I keep this or get rid of it? I'll keep it. Love the fit of this, but I feel like the color doesn't look very good on me. This one is definitely going up on my Poshmark. This is such a comfy hoodie. I used to wear this all the time, but I have had it since like senior year of high school and I don't even remember the last time I wore it. So this is going up on my Poshmark. This is such a cute basic shirt, but I'm going to post it on my Poshmark because I have one that is really similar. See, very similar, and I definitely like this one more. And I think the scoop neck is just a little bit too big on me. So this one going up on my Poshmark. I have had so many arguments with myself about this jacket. This is just such a basic jean jacket. It's from American Eagle, but I never wear this. I bought this like maybe senior year of high school, and I have barely worn this. So as of now, these are all the items that I'm keeping, and from my closet, these are all the items that I am getting rid of. Not everything is going up on my Poshmark. I have a lot of Sigma stuff in here that I just don't really wear anymore, so I'm just gonna store that away for now because I can't sell Sigma stuff. So there's just a few shirts and stuff that I just don't really wear anymore that I am just going to probably store under my bed for now. Okay, here's the pile of Poshmark stuff, and here's the pile of store for later stuff. This isn't a Sigma hoodie, but I made this, so I don't really want to sell this. But yeah, we're making progress. Next up, I'm gonna move all of the stuff that's on the floor so I can reorganize that and then move my clothes over there.
Don't you leave me.
So I'm not gonna go through all of this stuff. I'm just going to quickly organize it, make it look a little better. I don't really need to, you know, like get rid of anything. I just need to make it look a little nicer.
Don't you leave me.
Okay, that made such a huge difference, you guys. It looks so much better. I don't know how, but we're like kind of almost done. I still need to go through all my drawers under my bed, but other than that, like everything is going really smoothly. I'm really happy. Couldn't have gone better. Also, kind of random, but this was in my closet. My sister made me this Ross clock and all the numbers are Ross's face from Friends. So I kind of want to hang it here. I think that would be kind of cute, but I don't know, we'll see. Also, I forgot about this shelf that I bought. This is from literally the Target dollar section, but I thought this would be perfect to put on my wall like right here, or probably a little bit lower, but I can set my vlog camera on there and vlog at my desk like this, and I could just like keep a candle there when I'm not vlogging, but I thought that'd be kind of cute. So I need to hang this up at some point, and I obviously need to like organize all my shoes and stuff, but we're making really good progress and I'm very proud of myself. Okay guys, it is time to go through all of my drawers. I feel like it's not that bad. Like everything is pretty organized. I just want to get rid of some stuff, of course. So we're just gonna, you know, keep on organizing. So that is everything I am selling. Okay, so now that everything is organized and I know what I want to list on Poshmark, I am actually gonna take some pictures and list stuff. So here's everything that I'm gonna be posting today on Poshmark. I have a bunch of items. Okay, so the first step is we have to take some pictures of the items, obviously, so we have pictures to post of them. So most of them are shirts, so I can hang them on something and take a picture like that. And then some of these are pants. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. I'll be right back. Okay, I figured it out. So most of the items that I'm selling are tops, so it's easy to just like hang them on a hanger. So I took off my wall decor and I have my cute little ivy plant, so it's gonna be just in the corner of the picture just to make it look a little cuter. So yeah, I'm just going to take a picture like this, and Poshmark makes it so easy to list things. So you can take pictures in the app, and they have filters, and you can literally just do everything in the app, which is super convenient, and it makes it super easy for selling items. So I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll walk you through the process of listing some items. So as you can see, I just took my picture in the app, and it has all of these really cute filters that you can add onto your picture, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. So yeah, you can add multiple pictures. So I'm gonna take a picture of the back of the shirt as well. So I have a picture of the front of the shirt, the back of the shirt, and I also took a picture of the tag. So I'm just gonna fill in the description and describe the item that I'm selling, and then I'll add a price and it's good to go. And just like that, I just listed my first item. So I'm just gonna get to work and list all the other items, and I'll get back to you once we're done. Okay, all of these items have been posted, and now I just have to post these. I think I'm just gonna lay them out on my bed and take a picture of them like that. But yeah, super quick, and it's a super easy process. Okay guys, everything is officially listed on my Poshmark. I am so excited for you guys to see everything I have up. I will probably be adding some more items in the near future, but here's everything I have so far. And now it is officially time to show you guys what my closet looks like now that it is all organized and cleaned out. There you have it, you guys. Here's my closet. I love it so much more. I love that you can like actually walk into it and look at everything instead of barely even being able to peek into it like it was before. So yeah, I love how it turned out. I'm so happy with how everything is organized, and I'm definitely gonna have to look at Poshmark and do some online shopping and add some stuff to my closet. So yeah, that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Poshmark. I'll have all of their links in the down bar below. And also, if you're in the US or Canada, don't forget to download Poshmark using the link in my description box so you can shop my closet and shop your favorite brands. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this a giant thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you guys are new here. And also, of course, follow me on all my social media. The links are going to be in the down bar below. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!